Hi there, and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to add a paid add-on service for booking engine reservations. Add-on services are additional offerings that guests can purchase to enhance their stay. Let's get started. First, log into your Bookingjini channel manager. From the left-hand menu, click on Booking Engine. On the next page, select Paid Services. Now, click the Add button on the top right corner to create a new service. In the pop-up form, enter the service name. Let it be a romantic dinner. Set the price you want to charge. Choose the applicable tax percentage. Select the date range during which this service will be available. Upload an eye-catching image, ideally showing your dinner setup, and write a brief description. Once you're done, click on Save. That's it. You've now successfully created a beautiful romantic dinner add-on for your guests to enjoy. If you need help or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're here for you. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.